As you guys saw, I did my lashes and I use individual clumps to do my lashes. Clumps, not clumps. And this is just how it looks. So I put it under because I tend to get glue on my eyelid, or like the shiny glue on top. It just looks like they're fake, so I put it under my eyelashes. The only thing I would warn you guys about is getting glue in your eye because it hurts. Take your time, just like individuals, these take a while. You want to make sure you have it like even and not looking crazy. I like a longer, thicker look, so this is what I did. These weren't as long as I usually do them. So yeah. And I would definitely do this at your own risk. So if you're scared to do it, or you're scared to put anything around your eye, don't do it. Just don't do it. Save yourself the trouble. Regular eyelash extensions are really good. I like those. If I had the money to do it, I would do it all the time. But yeah, this is how I do it. Thanks for watching.